today we're going to be doing some pork tacos on our Blackstone Griddle. It's going to be something quick, it's going to be something easy, but especially it's going to be extra delicious. My name is Arjun, this begins barbecue. All right, like I said, real quick, real simple. We have our pork that I cut in little tiny pieces. I have our Guerrero king size tortilla size. And then of course with pork tacos, it's recommended green salsa. So that's what we have right here, some green salsa. And of course what we're gonna use to season this is, like always, our Johnny seasoning for this pork. So let's go ahead and fire up that Blackstone. All right, so I have this at medium high. Add our oil in there. Let's add our pork, some Johnny seasoning. Now the pork meat doesn't take too much to cook in here, so it'll be quick. Let's start putting the tortillas in here. Put a little bit of oil. All right, these are pretty much done. The meat is ready also. All right, let's go put the sauce and everything else. All right, here we have it. So let's go ahead and add our sauce. All right, so here we go. Oh man, this is good. Now, I made some St. Louis ribs and I bought the spare ribs, so I cut it into St. Louis style, and the remainder of the meat that was left over, I made tacos. Man, all right, let's try them out. Oh my God, they're so good. Well, you can add some onions, some cilantro. I just want to keep it as simple as we can do it. You could use any green salsa you guys want to use. If you guys want to go to the store and buy them, there's a lot of good products out there with good green salsas. You find them at Walmart, Albertsons, Safeway, you name it. Once you guys subscribe, hit that like. See you guys next time.